So all the horses here at Gascon Horsemanship, if they have a tail that's past their hocks, we work so hard brushing it, conditioning it, shampooing it, all that, that we don't want them to step on it when they back up, do rollbacks, things like that. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna get off of Amazon a camping bungee just like this, and we are gonna grab our horse by the tail and go to the end of his bone. So his tailbone stops here. This is where we're gonna start our braid. And the way that we're gonna do that is we're gonna part his tail into 3 parts, like so. Once you have the 3 parts, the outside is going over the middle, just like that, and then the outside is going over the middle, the opposite. And then we're just gonna go back and forth, outside over center, outside over center, outside over center.